Google Chrome, the world's most popular browser on Android, is finally saying goodbye to some of Android's older versions. If you're using a device running Android 8.0 Oreo or Android 9.0 Pie, your time with the latest Chrome updates is running out. Google has officially announced that Chrome 139, set to roll out on August 5th, 2025, will no longer support these two Android versions. After that, only Android 10 and newer will be compatible with future Chrome releases. This means that Chrome 138 will be the final version for Android 8 and 9 users. You won't see any more Chrome updates in the Play Store if you're still using an older device. No new features, no bug fixes, and most importantly, no security patches. The announcement was made by L&T, a Chrome support manager, via the Chrome support forums, marking the end of an era for users of these aging Android versions. Let's rewind a bit. Android 8.0 Oreo was launched back in August 2017, and Android 9.0 Pie followed in 2018. That makes them both over 7 years old. And yet, according to Google's own distribution data from April, these versions are still running on nearly 10% of Android devices worldwide, with Oreo at 4% and Pie at 5.8%. So why drop support now? Simple. It's about balancing compatibility with innovation. Supporting older Android versions means developers have to work around more limitations, and security becomes harder to maintain. Google already dropped support for Android 7.0 Nougat back in November 2023, so this is just the next step forward. If you're still on Android 8 or 9, don't panic just yet. You can continue using Chrome 138 for now. Your browser won't suddenly stop working. But over time, it will become more outdated, less secure, and less capable. Websites may load slower, new web technologies won't work properly, and worst of all, you'll miss out on critical security protections that come with newer Chrome releases. If switching browsers is an option, consider alternatives. Firefox for Android, for example, still supports devices as far back as Android 5.0 Lollipop. That's one browser still looking out for older users. But let's be honest, if you're still on a phone running Android 8 or 9, it might be time to upgrade. Not just for Chrome, but for your entire smartphone experience. Newer apps, better battery life, stronger security, and yes, full support for modern browsers. As Android continues to evolve, Chrome will too. This move marks another step in the inevitable march toward progress, even if it means saying goodbye to some old friends along the way. So if you want to keep your browsing safe and speedy, it's probably time to move on from Android Oreo and Pie. Chrome is moving forward. Are you ready to follow?